Oh, pulled it right out of his mouth. He hit it right at the end and didn't have enough line to even set the hook. Before you got the camera started. That's all right. Well, at least we'll get a picture of it. All right. Yep. No, it's a walleye. Look at those teeth.
Oh yeah.
Those are some big teeth in them. Yep. Probably won't catch too many walleyes with that. That's goofy. That's a good one. Oh, we got a bass. Nice one. Largemouth.
Large or small?
Largemouth. Nice.
Yeah.
That's a good one. On he goes. Awesome. Ooh. That gotta be a northern, huh? The way it hit right there.
Yeah. See, I don't know how good he's hooked either.
Hopefully good enough that we can get him over here. This guy must be getting a little closer. Where are you, bud? Oh, that's a really nice one. That's big. Stay on.
So he's letting up.
This is gonna be a pretty. You're gonna want to weigh this one. Holy cow! Look at that. I don't know how bad he swallowed it. That's a big one. Oop. Gosh, there we got it. We're loose, but we're hooked on something here. Maybe he's biting the. Okay. Wow, that's a nice one. I'll have you hold the top.
Right there.
All right. So he's 32 inches.
Okay.
All right.
$747 or
7.5 pounds.
Okay.
Really nice one. Yeah, that's nice. The bass?
I think so. I didn't even feel that one.
Yeah, he hit that immediately. Well, maybe the orange just oh,
look out.
Maybe the orange is cutting it, I guess. Hit it anyway. Shoot.
Yeah. Oh well.
Oh, we saw another one there. And for a bass again.